Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new chapter decimals. Children, open your textbook, page number 159. Before going to start the chapter, just once recall all the place values. See here, children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. These are all the Indian place value system. Here in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the decimals also. Decimal point also. See here the decimal point, children. The total number is 136.51. Decimal point. Point means decimal point. And again, see here, children, this picture 45.6. 45.6. 5 is in ones place. 4 is in 4 is in tens place, and also here point is there, no? Yes, that point is decimal point. Decimal point. After the point 6 is there, we call that tens place. Okay, tens place. Tens. This square has been divided into 10 parts. Each part is 1/10. Here see, children, 1/10 means 1 by 10. How many square boxes are there here? Count, just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many boxes are there here? 10 boxes are there. The fraction form of 1/10 is 1 by 10. What is the fraction form of 1/10? 1/10 fraction form is 1 by 10. See here the children. The decimal form of 1 by 10 is, how we will write the decimal form of 1 by 10? 1 by 10 is equals to 0.1. 0.1. See in the denominator, how many zeros are there, children? Here only one zero is there, no? After that one point, we have to write one number. Ikkada denominator any numbers unnayamma? Any zeros? First we have to count how many zeros are there. Here only one zero is there, and again we have to count the numerator numbers. Here how many numerator numbers are there? Here numerator number also 1. So just we have to keep 0.1. 0.1. 1 by 10 is equals to 0.1. Denominator లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఎన్ని జీరోస్ అయితే ఉంటాయో అన్ని నెంబర్స్ మనకి పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఉండాలి. See here again 2 by 10 is equals to 0.2. 2 by 10 is equals to 0.2. Here how many zeros are there? 1 0. After the decimal point, how many numbers are there, children? Only 1. That number is already here. See, children. 2 by 10 equals to 0.2. 3 by 10 is 0.3. 4 by 10 is 0.4. 5 by 10 is 0.5. Next tell, children. 5 by 10 already finished. 6 by 10 means what is the number? 6 by 10 is very good. 0.6. Okay. 6 by 10 is 0.6. Total here how many boxes are there? 100 equal boxes are there, children. This square has been divided into 100 parts. How many parts? 100 parts. This square is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is 100. Each part is 100. Okay, children, how many equal parts are there here? 100 equal parts. The fraction form of 100 is, what is the fraction form of 100? Is 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Total how many 100 are there? No, that's why here we have to write the denominator number 100. Next, we can write 1 by 100 as 0.01. We can write 1 by 100 as 0.01. See, children, I already told now in the 10th form, 1 by 10 means 1 by 10 is equals to 0.1. Here 1 by 100 is there, no? How many zeros are there in denominator? In denominator we have 2 zeros. After the decimal point we have to write the 2 numbers. See, children, ikkada denominator lo 2 zeros unnai kada. Ikkada enni zeros aithe untayo manam decimal point tarvata anni numbers vesukovali. Okay, anni zeros kadu, anni numbers undali ikkada. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ అయితే కింద డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నాయో అన్ని నెంబర్స్ పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఉండాలి. See my here 1 by 100 as 0.01. Here 2 zeros are there, but here only one numerator, only the number is 1 is there, no? Yes, that number is also in which place? Here 100 is there, no? That we have to write 1 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place, no? See here is the 1. Again we have to write the tens place also, no? Just we have to write the 0 and read as 0.01. How we will read this one? 0.01. 0.01. The decimal form of 1 by 100 is 0.01. 5 by 100 is 0.05. Here see children, here 36 by 100 is there. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Here numerator also 2 numbers are there, no? Just we have to keep the point and just we have to write here numerator numbers are there, no? That number we have to write here. Okay, 36 by 100 is equals to 0.36. Here also 92 by 100 is equals to 0.92. 0.92. Again once you see here children, 1.29 is there, no? 1.29. 1 is the whole number part. 1 is the whole number part. And here point is there, no? That is decimal point. 1 is the decimal point. After the point numbers are there, no? That numbers are decimal part. Okay, this is a whole number part. This is the decimal point and 29 is a decimal part. Decimal part. Point తర్వాత మనకు నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ నెంబర్స్ ని ఇండివిజువల్ నెంబర్స్ గా రీడ్ చేయాలి. 2 9 అలా రీడ్ చేయాలి. 29 అని చదవకూడదు, 2 9 అని రీడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, see children, 12,345.678. This is a number, no? How we will read this number? 12,345. Here point is there, no? That is decimal point. After the point we have to read the individual numbers, no? 6 7 8. Once see children, left of the decimal is increases. Left of the decimal point is increases. Right of the decimal point always decrease. Okay, we have to see again. Left of the decimal is increase and the right of the decimal is decrease. Write down how these numbers are read. We have to write the numbers also. See the first one, 0.9. 0.9. How we will read this number? 0. Here point is there, no? Decimal point. 0.9. See children, how we will write this number? We will read the 0.9. No? How we will write? This is a 0, no? No need to write the 0 here. Point ముందు 0 ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ 0 ని మనం ఇండికేట్ చేసి రాయాల్సిన లేదు. Just 0.9 we have to write. See, 0.9. Just we have to write the 0.9 is there, no need to calculate the 0 here. Here see children, 0.984 ఉందనుకోండి, దీన్ని మనం ఎలా చదువుతాము? 0.984. But how we will write this number? 0.984. 0.984. But we are not writing here 0. See children, here we are writing the 0 spelling is there in this number, in these words? No, not there. ఇక్కడ మనకి 0 ముందు పాయింట్ ముందు 0 ఉంటే ఆ 0 ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఇండికేట్ చేసి రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, ఇండికేట్ చేసి రాయకపోకుండా జస్ట్ ఏం రాయాలి? పాయింట్ నుంచి రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ see children, here second one, 4.3. 4.3. How we will write this one? Yes, first we have to write 4. F for your 4. Next what is the number here? Decimal point is there, no? Write here point. 4.3. 4.3. And now see here children, what is this number? 34.458. 34.458. See here now, we have to read these numbers individually. Okay, point తర్వాత ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఎలా చదవాలి? 458 అని చదవకూడదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా. ఓకేనా, ఎలా చదవాలి? 4 5 8. మనం నార్మల్ నెంబర్స్ ఎలా చదువుతాము? 1 to 10 నెంబర్స్ వరకు అలానే చదవాలి. 4 5 8 like this we have to read. Total what is this number? 34.458. Like this only we have to write. See here, 34 no first one is write here 34. 34. Next what is this? Decimal point is there, no? Write the point. 34 point. What is the next numbers? 4 5 8. Right here first one is 4 5 8. See, 4 5 8. Total what is this number? 34.458. Okay. See children, third one, write write these as decimals. In second Roman we wrote the word. Second Roman ఎట్లా రాసాం మనము numbers ఇచ్చింది words లో రాసాం కదా. And now here we have to write the decimals. See here what is the first one? 0.3. 0.3. What is the first one? Point. Next one is 3. No, write here 3. Point ఒకటి రాసుకున్నాం అనుకో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. So we have to write 0.3. 0.3. Next 0.553. 0.553. Right here 0.553. See children 0.553. 0.553. Next one, see third one 81.092. 81.092. 81 point no, first what we have to write? 81 we have to write here first. 81. Here point is there no decimal point? 0.092. 092. So what is the total number? 81.092. Children, now see the expansion of decimals. There are two types of expansion of decimals. How many types are there? Yes, two types of expansion of decimals. What are there? The first one is fractional expansion and the second one is decimal expansion. Here see one example. Consider the number 28.437. Here see children, fractional expansion number in your textbooks, fractional expansion. See here 20 plus 8. What are the first one? 20 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. We know very well the expansion form, no? Yes, that's like we have to do the 20 plus 8. Afterwards, point is there, no? With the point we have to write 4 by 10 plus. Next one is 3 hundreds. 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Next one is decimal expansion. Decimal expansion also same children. 20 plus 8. Common 20 plus 8 like expanded form. Afterwards here 4 by 10 is then after the point number no we have to write. That's why we have to write the 0.4 plus 0.03 plus 0.007. We have to write the expanded form of the fraction in decimals. Okay, we have to write this number in expanded form. Now, what is this number? 86.32. 86.32. See, Nana, here 86 is there, no? 86 nala write normal common expanded form chala rastamo alane write. This is in ones place and this is in tens place. Like this only we have to write. Tens place means how we will write? 80 plus. Ones place means just we have to write the 6. Again here decimal point is there, no need to indicate this point. But again see here children, 3 is in which place? Tens place, no? 3 is in tens place. Tens place. So here 3 is in which place? Tens place, no? So plus 3 by we have to write here 10. After decimal lo decimal tarvata undi kada ee number ఏ ప్లేస్ లో ఉంది? టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉంది. సో 3 by 10 అని ఇండికేట్ చేయాలి. 3 by 10. And next see here in this number is which place? 2 is in hundreds place, no? So how we will write? 2 by 100. 2 by 100. See here 86.32 is the number. Now, what is the number here? 86.32. 32 అని ఉన్నది కాబట్టి this is decimal numbers. 32 is the decimal after the decimal point. This is the decimal part, no? So we have to write this by. This is a fractional part, no? Like this we have to write 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. After decimal point, this is the decimal part. I already told the introduction, no? What is this? This is the decimal part. Decimal part we have to write by. Okay, decimal part we have to write the 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Like this we have to write. Again this is the normal part only, no? This is the numerical normal part. So how we will write this number? 80 plus 6, no? This is 80 plus 6. 80 plus 6 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Now see the second sum, children. See now 264.257. What is the question here? 264.257. This is the question. Here, what is the decimal part? Very good. This is the decimal part. 257 is the decimal part. This is the decimal point. Next 264 is which one? Whole number part. This is the whole number part. 264 is a whole number part. Here decimal is there. No, this is the decimal point. Next 257 is the decimal part. See here, we have to write this number as usually. We know the expanded form. No, see here, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 200 place. Here tens place, what is the number? 6 is there. No, 60 place. In ones place, 4 is there. Yes. Okay. Now see here, what is the decimal part? See Nana here, what is the number here? 2 is there. 2 is in which place? Yes, tens place. No, 2 is in tens place. So place 2 by 10. Decimal point tarvata manaki ones place anedi raadu nana. Ikkada only ones place anedi one time e untadi. Tarvata point tarvata nunchi tens, hundreds, thousands untayi. Next 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. No, so place 5 by 100. Okay, 5 by 100. Next place. Next number, what is the next number, children? Tell me. Very good, mom. 7 by 1000. 7 by 1000. Now see children, here I am giving one number. When you are seeing this video, you have to do the sum and you have to send to me only immediately. Okay, see here. 642.428. 642.428. క్లాస్ వింటున్నారు కదా నాన్న ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ 642.8 ని ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ లో రాసి క్లాస్ వర్క్ కాదు, ఇది హోంవర్క్ కాదు, జస్ట్ టెస్ట్ అనమాట. మీకు ఇది మీరు ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ రాస్తారో ఎవరు రాస్తారనేది మనం ఇప్పుడు మీకు టెస్ట్ అనమాట. ఇది 642.428. క్లాస్ వినేవాళ్ళు మీరు ఈ సమ్ చేసేసి ఫాస్ట్గా నాకు పంపించాలి. ఎవరు ఫాస్ట్గా పంపిస్తారో వాళ్ళు గుడ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, write the following in decimal form. Here we have to write the here following numbers are there. No, we have to convert these numbers into decimal form. Here this is the expanded form. Just we have to write the decimal form number. See here, what is this number? 100 place, 20 place, 9 place, 1 by 10. 100 place, 20 place, 9 place, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is a decimal part. Now after the decimal point we have to write this 1 by 10 part. Now simply we have to write this number. Now what is this number? 100. Now first we have to write 1. Next 20. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In 100 place, what is the number here? Only just 1 is there. No? Just write 1. And next tens place, what is the number? 2 is there. Just write 2. And next ones place, what is the number? 9 is there. Now just write 9. Here what is this number? Decimal part number. No? Yes, here we have to keep the decimal point. Decimal point. After completing the normal numbers, we have to keep the decimal point, and now we have to start the decimal part number. What is this number here? 1 by 10 is there. This is the 10th place. No? That's why here 10 is there. But what is the numerator number here? Here 1 is the numerator number. No? Just write here 1. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇదంతా మనకి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. షార్ట్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. మీకు అందరికీ షార్ట్ ఫామ్ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ తెలుసు కదా? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ వరకు నార్మల్ గానే ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ వరకు నార్మల్ ఫామ్ ఎలా రాస్తాము? సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కి ఇలానే రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏముంది? ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్. హియర్ హియర్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ 1 by 10 is there. We have to convert this 1 by 10 into the decimal part. That's why here keep the point and write the 1. న్యూమరేటర్ నెంబర్ లో ఏదైతే ఉందో అది రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ అని ఇక్కడ ఇస్తారు. ఇక్కడ 10 అని ఉందనుకో టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉంది. న్యూమరేటర్ నెంబర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది పాయింట్ తర్వాత రాయాలి. నౌ సీ హియర్ ద సెకండ్ వన్. 700 place, 90 place, 2 place, 5 by 10 place, 4 by 100 place, 3 by 1000. See here again I am repeating. 700 place, 90 plus 2. This is the normal form, short form, normal expanded form. No? Here this is the normal expanded form. How we will write this number? 792. 792. Point. Why? Because this is the decimal part. This part is the decimal part. In between these two parts, we have to keep the decimal point. Now see here. Here 10 is there. So this number is in tens place. Just write the numerator number. Now I told you. Just write 5. Next, here what is the number? 100 is there. 100 is there means this is the hundreds part place value. So which number we have to write? Yes, very good. We have to write the numerator number. No? What is the numerator number? 4. Just we have to write the number 4. Next, here what is the number is there in denominator? 1000 is there. 1000 is there. Which number we have to write, children? Yes, we have to write the number. Which number? Numerator number. What is the numerator number? 3 is there. No, right. Number 3. See here, mom. This is the expanded form number. We have to convert this number into the short decimal form. Short decimal form. This is the normal number form, no whole number part. No? Yes, first we have to convert this number. Afterwards, in between these two parts, we have to keep the decimal point. In between these two numbers, which one we have to keep? Decimal point. After decimal point only, we have to start the decimal part numbers. See here, what are the numbers here? 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Okay, now? See children, third one. Write the numbers in the decimal form. Which form these two numbers are there? Yes, decimal expansion. I don't know how many parts, how many decimal expansions are there? 2 types. What are they? Fractional expression and decimal expansion. So here, see children, this is the decimal expansion. See now, here what is the number? 40 plus 5 plus 0.7 plus 0.02 plus 0.003. 0.003. See here, what is the tens place number here? 40 is there, no? And again ones place number 5 is there. Total was, what is this number? 45. Right here, 45. And next 0.7. Point after which number is that? 0.7. 0.7. Again, 7 is in only tens place, so that's why I wrote here in tens place 7. Next here, see, which number we have to write? Hundreds place number, no? Hundreds place number. See here, 2 is in which place? Hundreds place only. This is the decimal point. Tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. So here, 2 is there. No? These 2 we have to write here. Hundreds place. Next, 0, 0, 3. Point 003. Point 003. 3 is in which place? Thousands place. So here write thousands place 3. Write the thousands place 3. Total what is the number? 45.723. 45.723. And now see here the second one. What is the number here? 600 plus 40 plus 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.007. Okay. And now see here. This is the ones place, tens place, and this is the hundreds place values. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. What is the number in ones place? 2. Again, what is the number in tens place? Yes, very good. 4. And what is the number in hundreds place? Yes, 6 is there, no? Right here, 6. We already know how to convert the expanded form into the short form. Okay, now see here. What is the number here? 0.3 is there. 3 is in tens place. 5 is in hundreds place. And 7 is in thousands place. Now see here, ma. Point after which place we have to write? Is there ones place after point? After point there is no ones place. Just we have to write directly tens place. What is the tens place here? 3 is there, no? Just write 3. And next 3 after which number we have to write? Hundreds place number, no? See here, this is the tens place and this is the hundreds place. So here the number is 5. Right here hundreds place number. Hundreds after which number we have to write? Very good, ma. Thousands place. Thousands place. Here tens, hundreds, thousands. Which number is there in thousands place? Very good. 7 is there, no? Just write 7. Total number is 642.357. What is the question here, children? 600 plus 40 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.007. We have to write this number into the decimal form. Okay. Now see here. 642.357. What is the number here? 642.357.
See children, here convert 1 by 5 as a decimal. Here we have to convert 1 by 5 as a decimal. See here. Here we make the denominator 10. What we have to make? The denominator 10. Here the denominator is 5, no? So In 5 table 10 is there or not there, children, tell me? Yes, in 5 table 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So here we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. Which number, children? Yes, by 2. If you multiply 2 means what is the number? 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Again, now we have to convert that number into a decimal number. 2 by 10 is a fractional number, no? Now here we have to convert that number into which number? Decimal number. So now it is easy to find out, no? See here, children, 2 by 10. So it is equal to 0.2. 2 by 10 is equal to 0.2. Here the denominator is 1 0 is there, no? That's why after the point also only one number is there.
Look at this picture. The square is divided into 10 equal parts. How many parts? The square is divided here. 10 equal parts. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many parts? Total 10 parts are there. In that, how many parts are shaded here, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded, no? 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Okay, now see, ma? We have to write this as a ordinary fraction. First we have to write the number in ordinary fraction. So fractions means we have to write the denominator and as well as we have to write the numerator. Fraction means what we have to write? Numerator number and also the denominator number is called as a fraction. Now see, numerator number, which number we have to write? How many boxes are there with lines? How many boxes are there? Sima, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Just write the numerator as 5. Total how many boxes are there? Total how many squares are there, ma? Total 10 are there, no? Write the denominator 10. Total what is the fraction here? Ordinary fraction 5 by 10. 5 by 10. 5 అనేది షేడెడ్ పార్ట్స్ వేసుకున్నాం. టోటల్ ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయనేది డినామినేటర్ లో, ఎన్ని షేడెడ్ ఉన్నాయనేది 5 వేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఎన్ని షేడెడ్ ఉన్నాయి? 5 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆ 5 నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ we have to calculate the decimal fraction. We have to calculate the next decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means decimals means we have to use the decimal point. No? Fraction means by using this number we have to write the decimal fraction. What is this number? 5 by 10. No? 5 by 10 is the number. See ma here. 5 by 10 is there. No? How many zeros are there in denominator? How many zeros are there, ma? Only 1 0 are there. No? 1 0 are there means what we have to do? చూడండి నాన్న, ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ లో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అక్కడ మనకి కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 1 0 ఉంది కదా. ఈ 1 0ని మనము పాయింట్ తర్వాత అన్ని నెంబర్స్ రావాలన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎన్ని జీరోస్ అయితే ఉంటాయో పాయింట్ తర్వాత అన్ని నెంబర్స్ రావాలి. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ జీరోస్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్? ఓన్లీ 1 0 is there. No? Again see ma, 0.5. 0.5 only. This is the tens place only. Now 10 means here tens place we have to write the 5. If the 100 is there means 100's place we have to write the 5. If 1000 is there in denominator means we have to write the 5 in thousands place. See now, for example, here we are taking the number 5 by 100. Again I am taking here the number 5 by 100. See ma here, how many zeros are there in denominator? How many zeros? 2 zeros are there. Now see ma, ikkada point tarvata ఎన్ని zeros రావాలి? ఇప్పుడు 2 numbers రావాలి. So keep the point first. First keep the point here. 5 in which place we have to write the 5? In hundreds place we have to write the 5. Why? Because here the denominator is 100. No, that's why the numerator number also we have to write in hundreds place. So in tens place what we have to write? In tens place we have to just write the 0 and after hundreds place we have to write 5. Now count how many numbers are there after point? After point 2 numbers are there. Here also 2 zeros are there. So 2 to equal. No? So 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05. Next you see ma, 5 by 1000. 5 by 1000. Now tell me children, 5 by 1000 means how many zeros are there here? In denominator, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. No? After the point also we have to write the 3 numbers. After the point we have to write 3 numbers. Here 5 which place we have to write? 5 we have to write in thousands place. Why? Because here 1000 is there. No? That's why 5 also we have to write in thousands place. In hundreds place, in tens place, which number we have to write, children? Now there is no numbers, no, here only 1 5 is there. There is no other numbers are there. Just we have to write the 0. 0.005 చూడండి నాన్న, ఇక్కడ మనకి థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఈ 5 రాసుకోవాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ లో టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో నెంబర్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? లేదు కాబట్టి ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? వాటి ప్లేస్ లో మనం జీరోస్ రాయాలి. సో 5/1000 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.005. 5/1000 equals to 0.005. Again I am giving one number, children. See one here. 10/100. 10/100 means which number here we have to write? 10/100. How many zeros are there here, ma? Only 2 zeros are there. Here the numerator also 2 numbers are there. Just we have to keep the point and write the 2 numbers. ఓకే, కింద 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ 2 zeros ని మనం ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి అంటే మన పాయింట్ తర్వాత 2 zeros రావాలి కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 2 numbers ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి జస్ట్ we have to write the point 10. And now see here ma, 10. See here ma, 10/10. 10/10 means which? How we will write this number? How many zeros are there in denominator? Only 1 zero is there. But in numerator 2 numbers are there, no? In numerator 2 numbers are there. But in denominator only 1 number is there, no? After the point only 1 number we have to write. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎన్ని zeros ఉన్నాయో అన్ని numbers ఉండాలి పాయింట్ తర్వాత. Here 10/10 is there. Here only the denominator 1 number is there, no? And how we will write this number? 1.0. 1.0. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కింద డినామినేటర్ లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయో పాయింట్ తర్వాత మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా అన్ని నెంబర్సే ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ 1 నెంబరే ఉంది కదా. సారీ, ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ 1 జీరోనే ఉంది. సో పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఓన్లీ 1 నెంబరే ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 2 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 0 we have to keep the point. In between 1 and 0 we have to keep the point. 10/10 equals to 1.1. 1.0. Convert 5.3 into a fraction. This is a fraction and decimal of conversion. Now we are going to convert the decimal into a fraction. What is the number here? 5/5.3. 5.3. First here we have to convert this number into expanded form. First we have to form now see now 5.3 is there. We have to write this number in expanded form. 5 plus which number is there here? 3/10. 3/10. 5 plus 3/10 is the expanded form for 5.3. And again see ma, here we have to write here denominator 1. Here only 5 is there, no? ఇక్కడ ఒక 5 ఉంది కదా నాన్న. సో ఇక్కడ మన డినామినేటర్, ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ నెంబర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో ఉంది కదా. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లేదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని కూడా ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో రాసుకోవడం కోసం 5/1 we have to write. Okay, 5/1 plus 3/10. 5/1 plus 3/10. Next, see here, what is the number in denominator here? The denominator number is 10. What is the denominator number? The denominator number is 10. We have to multiply this 10 to 5 and 1. 5 into 10 by 1 into 10 equals to 3/10 plus 3/10. See here the denominator is 10. Denominator 10 ఉంది కదా. ఈ denominator 10 ని ఇక్కడ 5/1 ఉంది కదా, ఈ నెంబర్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 5/1 ఉంది కదా, ఈ 5/1 నెంబర్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. To convert 5.3 into which number? To convert this number into the fraction of, we have to write here like this. Here 10 is there, now we have to multiply this number by 10. 5 into 10 is equals to how much? 5 tens are 50 by 1 tens are 10 plus 3/10. 3/10. See here ma, we know very well this one. This is a like fraction. Here like fraction addition is there, means what we have to do here? Yes, just we have to add these 2 numbers only. Numerator numbers only. Denominator is a common number, no? Just write here 10. 50 plus 3 is equals to how much? 50 plus 3 is equals to 53. 50 plus 3 is equals to 53. So here 5.3 equals to 53/10. This is the decimal number and it converts into the which number? Yes, fraction. Ordinary fraction
నెంబర్ 5.3 is equals to 53 by 10. చూడండి నేను ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన 5.3 నెంబర్ని ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్లో రాయాలి. ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ఏ నెంబర్ లేదు కదా, సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద నెంబర్ 1. జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద నెంబర్ 1 టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద fraction. To find out the fraction, here denominator, here writing the number 1. Afterwards, see this denominator number 10 is there, now we have to multiply this number. Why we have to multiply this number means here both the numbers are different. We have to add here now, that's why here take this number, take this 10 and multiply the numerator and denominator. Take this number and multiply the numerator and denominator. So 5 into 10 by 1 into 10. 5 into 10 means 50. 1 into 10 means 10. 50 by 10 plus 3 by 10 equals to how much? 50 plus 3 is equals to 53. The denominator only 10 now. Just write here 10. So 5.3 equals to 53 by 10. Express the following decimals notations as ordinary fraction. Ordinary fraction we have to write here. Already I told you this is a decimal number. This is a decimal number. We have to convert this decimal number into a fraction. So see the solution here now. What is the question here? 0.7. 0.7. How many numbers are there after 0? How many numbers are there here? Only one number is there. After point only one number is there now. So which number we have to write at numerator? See here ma. Only one number ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి. అంటే ఇక్కడ one number ఉంటే denominator లో ఏం ఉండాలి? 1 0 నే ఉండాలి. So just write only 1 0 10. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Here how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. Here after the point also only one number is there. Which number is there? That number is 7. 7 is in which number? In which place 7 is there? In tens place now. Just write 7 by 10. 0.7 equals to 7 by 10. 0.7 equals to 7 by 10. చూడండి నాన్న ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక నెంబరే ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఒకటి జీరోనే వేసుకోవాలి. 7 ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది? టెన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి 7 by 10. నెక్స్ట్ see here. What is the number here? 0.075. 0.075. Now here how many zeros, how many numbers are there after a decimal point? 3 numbers are there. Now just write here the question. 0.075 is the question. How many numbers are there after the decimal point? 3 numbers are there. We have to write the 3 zeros in denominator. First write 1. Afterwards how many zeros we have to write? 3 zeros we have to write now. Just 1 2 3. 3 zeros write. Now see here what is up after the point numbers? 075 is there now. 075. Just write 075. Okay. 075 రాసాం కదా. ఇక్కడ 7 కి ముందు 0 ఉంటే వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా నాన్న? ఉండదు. అవతల ఉంటే మనకి వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ 0 ఉంటే వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో 75 by 1000. 75 by 1000. And next second one. Write these fractions as decimals. Write these fractions as decimals. Here we have to write this fraction into decimal fraction. Okay. Now what is the number here? 32 by 100. 32 by 100. How many zeros are there in denominator? 2 zeros are there. No. In answer, how many numbers are there after the point? After point also we have to write the 2 numbers. After the point how many numbers we have to write? 2 numbers. Now see, observe here. How many numbers are there in numerator? How many numbers are there here? 3 2. How many are there? 2 numbers are there. Here also 2 zeros are there. No. Just write 3 2. After the point just write 3 2. So 32 by 100 equals to 0.32. 0.32. Now see the next one. 9 by 100. 9 by 100. What is the number here? 9 by 100. See the solution here. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. But only one number in numerator. No. How many numbers are there in numerator? Only one number there. But here the 2 zeros are there in denominator. Just first keep the point. Okay. Decimal point keep. Afterwards how many zeros? 2 zeros. No. Here we have to write the 2 numbers. First number we have to write 0. Again we have to write the number 9. Why? Because here 100 is there in denominator. So in hundreds place only we have to write the 9. 100 is there in denominator now. That's why we have to write the number 9 in hundreds place. So 9 by 100 equals to 0.09. పాయింట్ జీరో రాసామనుకోండి, పాయింట్ ఎందుకు రాసామో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అవ్వదు, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. సో జీరో రాసుకుని ముందు 0.09 రాయాలి. సో see here ma, how many zeros are there here? 2 zeros are there. Here how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So both these two the numbers are equal. 9 by 100 equals to 0.09. See here ma, third one, express as a decimal. Express as a decimal. Here they gave the number in fraction. We have to convert this fraction number into a decimal number. What is the number here? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Here in denominator 100, 10, 1000 there means it is easy to calculate the decimal number. In the denominator lo 10 కానీ 100 కానీ 1000 కానీ ఉంటే ఈజీగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ ఉంది? 5 is there no? We have to take this number into these numbers. 5 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏ నెంబర్నైనా ఇంటూ చేసుకొని ఇవి వచ్చేలాగా చూడాలి. ఏం రావాలి మనకి డినామినేటర్ నెంబర్స్? 10,000, 100, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever it may be, but the number should be the 1 and 0 only. The number should be the 1 and 0. Start with 1 and end with 0 only. So here the number is 5. Now what we have to do here now? We have to multiply the number. We have to multiply the number. Which number we have to multiply? Here we make the denominator 10 now. So 4 by 5 into 2 by 2. Why? Because I am taking 2 means here in 5 table 5 2s are how much? 10 is there. Is there or not there? 5 2s are how much? 10. We get the 10 answer now. See here 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. We get the denominator now. We get the denominator. We get the denominator 10. ఇక్కడ denominator 10 తీసుకురావడం కోసం ఈ 2 by 2 ని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? 4 by 5 ఉంది కదా, సేమ్ 4 by 5. ఈ 5 ప్లేస్ లో మనకి 10 కావాలి. సో ఈ 10 కోసం అని ఇక్కడ 2 by 2 ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఇక్కడ మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. సో నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెంబర్ హియర్? 8 by 10. So what is the question mark here? To convert this number express as a decimal, we have to convert this number into the decimal numbers. So now it is easy to find out the decimal numbers. Why? Because 8 by 10. Here the denominator 10 is there means it is easy to calculate now. And now 10 ma. 8 by 10 is there not 10? Yes. 0.8. 0.8. 0.8. Why? Because here the number is there, here 10 is there, no? 10 means it is easy to find out the decimal number. In the denominator 10 ఉంది కదా, ఈజీ అవుతుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇక్కడ only 1 zero is there. After the point also we have to write only one number, that is 8. 8 by 10. 8 by 10.
Students should complete your classwork and homework. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. And also I gave one sum, no? Yes, do it fast and send. Okay ma? Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.